The YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program is a powerful monetization tool that allows content creators to earn money by promoting products directly through their videos. This program enables eligible creators to earn commissions by promoting products from participating brands and retailers. When viewers purchase products through your recommendations, you receive a percentage of the sale. As of 2025, the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program is available in multiple countries, including the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and several European nations, with plans for continued expansion. The program offers several key features that make product promotion seamless. You can tag products directly in your videos, create product shelves that appear below your content, and even set up a dedicated shopping tab on your channel. Product shelves appear directly below your videos, showcasing recommended items to your viewers. This creates a seamless shopping experience without interrupting the viewing experience. You can also promote products through YouTube Shorts and even during live streams, creating real-time shopping experiences for your audience. This makes the program versatile across all types of YouTube content. The YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program transforms your content into a revenue-generating platform while providing genuine value to your viewers through curated product recommendations. Before you can start earning through YouTube's Shopping Affiliate Program, you need to meet specific eligibility requirements. These requirements ensure that creators have established channels with engaged audiences. First, you need at least 1,000 subscribers on your channel. This shows YouTube that you have an established audience interested in your content. You also need 4,000 valid watch hours in the past 12 months. This demonstrates consistent viewer engagement with your content over time. Alternatively, if you focus on short-form content, you can qualify with 10 million valid public shorts views in the past 90 days. Your channel must be in good standing with YouTube's community guidelines, meaning no recent violations or strikes against your account. Finally, you must be at least 18 years old or have a legal guardian manage your account if you're younger. The most important prerequisite is being accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. This is your gateway to all monetization features, including shopping. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can begin the setup process. This involves several key steps to activate shopping features on your channel. Step 1. Navigate to YouTube Studio and apply for shopping features. You'll find this option in the monetization section once you're in the partner program. Step 2. Connect with participating affiliate programs. YouTube partners with various brands and retailers to offer commission opportunities. Step 3. Begin tagging products in your content. You can add product shelves below videos and tag items directly in your video content. Step 4. Track your earnings through YouTube Analytics. Monitor which products perform best and optimize your strategy accordingly. Important note, the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program is currently available in select countries, including the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and several European markets, with expansion planned for additional regions. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be ready to start monetizing your content through affiliate marketing. Remember to always disclose affiliate relationships to maintain trust with your audience.